Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6. Dear students, look here, our today's topic is chapter 6, Reading Done, and lecture, this is lecture number 11 and SW number 8. Now dear students, please follow the board. Look here, chapter 6, and the topic name is what? Culture of Bangladesh. Look dear students here. Since the dawn of civilization, man has satisfied his demand using nature and environment. A piece of stone or a branch of a tree became the tool to save him from the attack of ferocious animals. Hence, the ability to utilize nature has endowed man with culture which is still continuous. Man realized that the struggle for survival would be stronger if he lived in society. So, various rules are created in order to organize the society. Gradually, it turned into economics, politics, and religions, education, etc. Dear students, you can underline this sentence, okay? Look, for the amusement, recreation, and welfare of the people of the society, man created dance, song, literature, and many other things. As a result, concrete and abstract shapes of culture were composed. Look, dear students, then lesson 1, concept of culture. Look, dear students, culture is actually the lifestyle of people. So, what is culture? Culture is actually the lifestyle of people. Picture of human life is revealed through culture. All a man does the things to preserve his existence and to serve some purposes are his culture. For example, man eats food to live. When this food is cooked, following various recipes and served with nice decoration, it becomes man culture. Look dear students, when man learned to write, first he wrote carving on stone or on bark or leaves of trees. Then when paper was invented, man began writing with feather sinking in ink. Gradually man invented paper and started writing on paper. Okay. After that man invents a typewriter, started writing with it. Then look, finally man invented computer. Okay. Then look, dear students, so here we have found that after that man invented what? Typewriter and started writing with it. Finally, man invented computer. Now, many people of the world write with computer. The total of all these forms of writing invented by man is a part of culture. Look, dear students, now we will learn about the types of culture. There are two types of culture. Culture is of two types, and what are they? One is concrete culture and another is what? Abstract culture. Look here. One is concrete and the other is abstract culture. If the house is a concrete culture, its plan will be an abstract culture. So dear students, here we have found an example. What? If the house is a concrete culture and its plan will be an abstract culture. If a book is a concrete culture, the thoughts and ideas with which the writer wrote it will be an abstract culture. Okay? Look dear students, another example. Computer hardware is a concrete culture and software for using computer is an abstract culture. Okay, dear students, from lesson 2, we will learn about elements of Bangladeshi culture. Look dear students, concrete elements of the culture of this country are various kinds of houses, furniture, dress, transport, food, farming tools and books, etc. Okay, abstract elements of our culture are collective knowledge, outlook and attitude, religious belief and sense of morality. Language, alphabet, arts, literature, music, ideals and values, various branches of knowledge, art, science, etc. Look dear students, here we can see some elements of Bangladeshi culture with our eyes, hold them with a hand. Again, we can neither see nor touch many elements of culture of this country. Okay, look dear students, now I am going to read the next paragraph. The people of our country created the concrete elements of our culture for their own necessity. These elements can last for hundreds of years. For example, when you visit the museum, you can see many things which are 100 years old. Seeing those, we can form a concept about man and culture of Bangladesh at that time. The concrete and abstract elements of our culture are in no way isolated from each other. It is because we get the identity of abstract elements through the concrete elements. For instance, Ch-6 is a concrete element of Bangladeshi culture. When flower, leaf, elephant, horse or any scenery is embroidered in it, okay, then it becomes the manifestation of thoughts of women folk of this country. Change in one element of Bangladeshi culture brings about changes in other elements. For example, sari is an element of culture in Bangladesh. Due to technological changes, there have been changes in color and design of sari. Change is noticed in the fashion of wearing saris as well. Look dear students, so here from this lesson 1 and 2, here we have found that culture is actually the lifestyle of people. And here we have also found that when paper was invented, man began writing with feathers, inking in what? In ink, okay? And gradually man invented paper and started writing on paper, okay? And after that, man invented typewriter and started writing with it. And finally, man invented computer, okay? And now what? Now many people of the world write with computer, okay? And then here we have found also that there are culture is of two types. What are they? One is concrete and the other is abstract. And look, for example, computer hardware is a concrete culture and the software for using computer is an abstract culture. So dear students, here we have read lesson 1 and 2, and from this chapter you have to read lesson 5 and 6 too, where you will get the information of pattern of Bangladeshi culture and the impact of culture in individual and group life. And we will learn about this lesson in our next class, okay? And we will discuss about creative question in our next class too, okay dear students? So look dear students, here you have to do 5 MCQ from this lesson, okay? And you have to submit this on next Saturday. So dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Please keep practicing this at your home and see you again in the next class. Keep safe. Allah Hafiz.